season crossbow hunt. We switched gears. Wade give me the crossbow and he's got the camera. There's absolutely no telling how this is going to turn out. It's probably going to be blurry. He may not even hit the record button, but I may not hit the deer, so we don't know what's going to happen. But seriously, we're on a backstrap hunt. I mean, we're looking for meat for the freezer, so Wade was kind enough to let me take the crossbow. I got the 10-point out here. We shot it earlier today. It's dialed in. It's ready to go. All we need is a deer to get out in front of us. This is an old box blind that's normally up in there. We took it and cut it up, put it on the ground. We brushed it in. It's a really good setup, so when the deer show up, I think we'll be good. Boy, it is a big 6-point right there.
Got a shooter in there, I mean a big 6-point, big tall 6-point. He come in there just bullying his way around. I'm like, golly, I mean, I've had this deer out here for 15 minutes. I've seen him since he come in, and I can't get a shot at him.
Don't go back there. So excited. I mean, that deer has been around us. He has walked in every possible shot, every possible spot that I couldn't get a shot. He's gotten 2 fights. One was just a playing fight with his buddy, but that time, buddy, he locked up. He was done good till he lost his foot, and that other one got the best of him, and he took off. So close. Don't look like we're going to have backstrap tonight. But what a set. I mean, that's what hunting's all about right there. I mean, that is a great time. Seen a bunch of deer, a lot of excitement. This is what South Texas is all about.
We come back out the next morning, and it's raining. They were calling for rain all day long. But you know what? We decided, hey, you can't shoot one sitting in the camp, so let's go hunting. You know, we're sitting there that morning, and the first deer comes in, and we're like, you know, just the excitement, just the anticipation of, is my deer gonna show back up the one that I seen yesterday? Because, you know, I really had my eyes set on him. But if he didn't, you know, what is gonna show up? All of a sudden, here comes this 8-point walking in. Big, heavy horns. I mean, just massive rack. He's wide. He's just He's just one when you see in the woods, you're like, oh my gosh, here he is, here he comes. This deer walks in and he's 35 yards from us. You know, he's in range. It's just, can I get a shot?
That bush is blocking me. Gotta come back to the right. You ready? You ready? Yeah.
Smoke that sucker. Did you see that dude come in? Golly. I mean, how many times can I sit here and watch deer and they get behind a bush, they look at you, they don't give you the right shot. But man, we did the right thing. We waited till that deer got good and broadside. I think made a great shot on him. I mean, this 10-point crossbow is it's something else. Give me some way though. That is a good deer, man. He's got long main beams. He is cool. When he come in, I mean, my eyes lit up. I'm thinking, oh man, that's what I'm gonna shoot right there. Backstrap for dinner. Rainy day, don't sit in the house. You can't kill nothing sitting in the cabin. Get out here and hunt, and you might get lucky like me. That is awesome, man. Did you see the shot?
Oh,
Did it look good?
It looked good, dude.
Man, I felt like I was right on the crease.
It looked good.
You know, we decided to get out of the blind and go see what we could find. We go about 50 or 60 yards from where we made the shot on this deer, and we found 3 big puddles of blood. Felt good, you know, thought, okay, he's probably not gonna be very far. Well, we looked around a little short area right there and we couldn't find any more blood. The rain was washing it away, you know, and you just couldn't find nothing. So we decided to just back out, give that deer time, come back later and look for him. It rained all day long, poured down. So we decided to just wait, give him plenty of time.
The next morning, before our cameras were even rolling, Jeff went out and found his deer.
You know, I found my deer, got him loaded up in the Viking, brought him back to camp. You talking about excitement, man. What a great buck with my 10-point crossbow, man. You talking about a fun way to hunt. Getting them in close, 30, 40 yards where you can take a shot. Man, what a deer, great character. Look at the mass on this deer. I mean, he holds his mass all the way out to his tip of his antlers. Got a kicker back here. Just a great deer. A super cool way to hunt. When you get a chance, get you a 10-point crossbow and get in the woods.
Hey, congratulations, Jeff, on your 10-point entry into the Yamaha Whitetail Diaries.